EPACC, Eco-Friendly Prototype Air Conditioning Chip. Green Chill, No Bill. What is EPACC? EPACC is an eco-friendly prototype which converts heat waves into cool waves. Now, this is the design of EPACC. By the path, the sweat will reach the cooling mixture which contains graphite and gelatin to cool the sweat. This is the main base, which has a DC motor fan which will further spread the cool waves converted by the Peltier module and a Duracell battery attached. This is the Peltier module, which is the main module which will convert heat waves into cool waves. Now let us demonstrate the working of a prototype. We are using the hair dryer as heat waves. You can see the temperature has risen up to around 58 degrees Celsius. Let's see how we can bring it down using a prototype. You can see that the temperature is slowly decreasing. Within 5 to 10 seconds, it went down from 58 degrees Celsius to about 35 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the hypothesis is proved. So these are the materials used, which includes battery, Play-Doh clay, Peltier module, DC microfan, electrical switch, mini LCD, digital thermometer sensor. The combining cost is coming rupees 288, but by using bulk production, we can bring it down to rupees 100. To conclude, the EPACC is a sustainable cooling solution which will help combat the rising temperature.